Ahoy, this is Rimestein. The poem I'm about to do is Summer on a Rainy Day. And this is talking doorsteps, Mitchell's Plain, Cape Town. If home was a season, it would be summer on a rainy day. Or spring constantly reminding me that I made it through the coldness of yesterday. If home was my skin, it would be a bed of pillows for warm hugs to rest on. Skin resembling schoolboards vandalized with highlighters and black Cokie pens, with bruises as lessons explaining the equation. Perseverance times strength. Was my huis 'n lyf sou dit saans vensters na 'n siel sluit en kniel in gebed en vir God vra om my siel te red. Dis waarom haar deure opstaan vir pastore wie vrugte van Bybels maak en die stilles voed wie se gesigte in pyn inpraat. En was my huise geluid sou dit klink soos die gefluit van 'n koek in 'n kietel in die hart van winter. En as jy chains maak, as dit hy getsingeling van 'n sak vol munte. If home was a body, it would be that of a stranger passing by. One with a big heart, who comes to help push the stuck taxi of society, just to give it that kickstart down the road of peace and understanding, understanding those in need of care. If my home was a sound, it would be that you hear when inhaling a breath of fresh air.